Item 556. Pipe underdrains. 1. Description. Install pipe underdrains. 2. Materials. 2.1 Pipe. Furnish the types and sizes of pipe specified on the plans. Use only one type of pipe for any underdrain system on the project. Use perforated pipe in areas to be drained, and use non-perforated pipe between the perforated pipe and the outfall. 2.1.1 Type 1. Corrugated steel pipe, CSP, conforming to any type specified in TxDOT M36, fabricated from corrugated galvanized sheet. 2.1.2 Type 2. Corrugated aluminum pipe conforming to TxDOT M196, Type 1, or IA, fabricated from corrugated sheet. 2.1.3 Type 3. Bituminous coated corrugated steel pipe conforming to the requirements of Type 1 and uniformly coated inside and out with a minimum thickness of 0.05 inches of bituminous material meeting the requirements of Table 1 when tested in accordance with ASTM A849, Material Class A or Material Class BA. Table 1. Requirements of bituminous material. See table in specifications. 2.1.4 Type 4. Bituminous coated corrugated aluminum pipe conforming to the requirement of Type 2 and uniformly coated inside and out with a minimum thickness of 0.05 inches of bituminous material meeting the requirements of Table 1 when tested in accordance with ASTM A849, Material Class A or Material Class BA. 2.1.5 Type 5. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, pipe conforming to ASTM D2751, SDR35. Perforations must meet the requirements of TxDOT M278. 2.1.6 Type 6. Corrugated polyethylene plastic tubing conforming to TxDOT M252. 2.1.7 Type 7. Corrugated polyvinyl chloride, PVC, pipe conforming to ASTM F949. 2.1.8 Type 8. Smooth wall PVC pipe conforming to TxDOT M278, Class PS46. 2.1.9 Type 9. As shown on the plans. 2.2 Filter material. Furnish hard, durable, and clean sand, gravel, crushed stone, or crushed shell meeting the gradation by % weight specified in Table 2 unless otherwise shown on the plans. Filter material must be free of clay balls or other organic or deleterious matter as determined by Tex 413A. Do not furnish crushed limestone unless shown on the plans. Use only one type of filter material for any underdrain system on a project. Table 2. % retained on sieve, Tex 401A. See table in specifications. 1 of the portion finer than number 4 sieve. Loss by decantation as determined by Tex 406A must not exceed 1% of the material retained on a number 4 sieve or 4% of the material passing a number 4 sieve. Use Type B or Type C filter material around the underdrains unless otherwise shown on the plans. Do not place Type A or Type D filter material within 6 inches of perforations. 2.3 Filter fabric. Meet DMS 6200. Filter fabric, Type 1. 2.4 Riprap. Provide concrete riprap in accordance with Item 432, riprap, when required. 3. Construction. Begin excavation of the trench at the outfall and proceed toward its upper end, following the lines and grades shown on the plans or as directed. Hold the minimum horizontal limits of excavation for filter material to the dimensions shown in Table 3 or as shown on the plans. Table 3. Minimum horizontal limits of excavation for filler material. Depth of trench, feet, and distance outside neat lines of pipe underdrains, feet. Depths of 0 to 6 feet require a minimum distance 1.00 feet. Depths of over 6 to 10 feet require a minimum distance 1.50 feet. Depths of over 10 to 15 feet require a minimum distance 2.00 feet. Depths of over 15 feet require a minimum distance 2.50 feet. Place filter fabric in the bottom and sides of the trench in areas to be drained before placing pipe or filter material, as shown in Figure 1. Provide enough width of fabric to overlap on top of the filter material. Center perforated pipe in the excavated ditch with the perforations below the horizontal axis. Join the pipe with appropriate couplers if required. Join plastic pipe in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. Do not use tar paper strips. Obtain approval for pipe placement before placing filter material. Place filter material at least 12 inches above the bottom of the pipe or American Samoa shown on the plans. Do not allow filter material to displace the pipe. Lap filter fabric over the top of the filter material after placing pipe and filter material according to the manufacturer's recommendation or as shown on the plans. Figure 1. Installation process. See figure in specifications. Install non-perforated pipe sections between the perforated pipe and the outfall. The sections of non-perforated pipe do not require filter fabric or filter material. Place approved plugs in the upper ends of all pipe. Cover exposed outfall ends with 1/2 inches galvanized hardware cloth as directed. Provide Class B concrete riprap, when required, in accordance with item 432, riprap, and details shown on the plans. Place the riprap to the contour and grade of the embankment slope. Cut the pipe to the slope of the riprap. Backfill the remainder of the trench with suitable material in layers not to exceed 6 inches. For measurement. This item will be measured by the foot along the top of the pipe and will include the length of elbows, Ys, Ts, and other branches. 5. Payment. The work performed and material furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for pipe under drains of the pipe type and size specified. This price is full compensation for pipe, couplers, plugs, screens, filter material, filter fabric, riprap, excavation, backfill, equipment, labor, materials, tools, and incidentals. Protection methods for excavations deeper than 5 feet will be measured and paid for in accordance with item 402, trench excavation protection.